Hello and welcome to how to book your 2024 Berlin Marathon packages with SED. So do you get to our marathon package page is fairly simple. You go onto SED.com as written down in the URL. There's a minus in between every letter. Then when you are on our page, you head into products and tours and you click Marathon 2024 packages. Now we're being forwarded to our marathon page. And just a bit of backstory of who we are. We've been doing the marathon packages since 1989. If you head into the marathon page and go under tour operators and partners, we are listed here down below. Specifically for the 2024 BMW Berlin Marathon, there is a fair being held at the same time as the marathon, which is limiting the amount of hotel rooms and availability, and also bumping up the rates of the hotels. So we do recommend to act promptly and already secure your packages before there is no hotel rooms left. And all our offers are included with breakfast, local city taxes, and there are no extra hidden cost. And please be aware of there's a minimum night requirements for our hotels. Of course, if you have a booking, we call it out of the ordinary. For example, if you want to add or decrease the amount of hotel nights, you'll just send us a request on our email, as you can see here, marathon@set.com. And if you have a request for a group more than 9 persons, this will also happen through our email. Lastly, we have a FAQ list for all questions that might occur along your booking process. We can guarantee 99% of the questions you might have will already be answered in our FAQ list. So we strongly recommend have a look through it if you have any questions. Otherwise, our email is of course open. So how do you book your packages? Luckily for you, it's very simple to book through SED. As you can see down below, we have 6 different packages for the marathon. Our first package is for the person who is going to the Berlin Marathon but is staying with friends or family. Due to the rule set of being an official partner, you have to sell your tickets, or all tickets have to be sold in packages. So this is a way we can decrease the amount you have to pay. If you already have somewhere to stay, you'll just book the camping package. And for the rest, it's fairly simple. If you want to stay in style, you can of course go for the more luxurious hotels, but we have of course 5-star, 4-star, 3-star plus, 2-star, and another 4-star option. So if you want, for example, to go ahead and book the Seminaris Campus Hotel in Berlin, which is a 3-star plus, a minimum of 3 nights, we can click and go ahead and make the booking. You'll have some description of the hotel, the direct address, what's included, some images of, for example, the facilities the hotel offers. And as you can see down below, you have your single rooms and you have your double rooms packages. So at the moment we have a discount, and we call it an early bird discount of 3%. So if you secure your packages until the 6th of October, you will have this discount. Then you click book. And you have to type in your information, citizenship, and gender. The additional service is of course our marathon package. So it's just me who is going, but let's say if I book the double room and both of us in the double room we're going to have a marathon package, you of course increase it. But at the moment it's just me. I just need a single room and just one marathon package. As you can see, it says bed and breakfast. This is what it is included in our package, our marathon start place, and of course we have the early bird discount, which is from the 30th September to the 6th of October. We are requesting some personal data for delivering the offer. Please fill this out. The only payment method is credit card, and as you can see here, we have the credit card fee in addition. You have to agree with your terms of service. If you're more curious about our terms of conditions, you can of course go ahead and click on the link right here and you'll be forwarded to our terms of conditions page on our website. Then if you have typed in your information, you just click pay, and you will be forwarded to your payment page, and you will type in your credit card information and make the booking. And after you have gone through with your payment, you'll receive a confirmation and a paid invoice. Shortly after, you'll be contacted with one from our team, which will just reconfirm that everything is set and done. Then you will not hear from us, or of course if you have any questions you will of course hear from us, but if everything is said and done and you have checked up on every question and all the information, we'll contact you then first in August likely and give you your access code for the marathon app. So this is how you would make your booking through Set and get your marathon packages. Of course, you're welcome to drop us an email if something is unclear, but otherwise we hope to see you once again, and take care. Bye bye.